This beautiful 5-bedroom house located at Amasaman Stadium Road, right behind the Heritage Christian University, is up for sale. This house is about 25 minutes drive from the airport. You get to this destination peacefully in about 25 minutes drive from the airport. Yes, this beautiful house is going for just $160,000, and it is very, very negotiable. Yes, it's going for $160,000 negotiable. Yes, this house is located in a very peaceful environment behind the Heritage Christian University. This house is about 3 minutes walk from the Heritage Christian University, and it's directly opposite one of their hostels, the boys' hostel. Yes, and this house is very, very lovely and peaceful, located in a very peaceful environment. This house is a 5-bedroom house with 3 bedrooms on the first floor and 2 bedrooms on the down floor. Yes, so guys, have a look, and if you are interested, you can contact the numbers on your screen, and don't forget to subscribe and like, and you could also share this video for others to also have a look and possibly express their interest. And don't forget to pour out your comments in the comment section. Kindly subscribe immediately to support this channel. Now, this room is almost completed, and by the end of this month, this room should be completed. Yes, according to the owner. Yes, and this room is very spacious. This house is a very spacious house with very spacious and comfortable rooms with toilet and bath and suite in each room. Yes, this house is very, very lovely and suitable for a home. That is the bathroom of one of the rooms. Yeah, each room has its own bathroom. Yes, and there's a kitchen downstairs, but there's no kitchen upstairs. Just rooms, a hall, 3 rooms and a hall with each one having its own bathroom inside. Yes, the house is almost completed and located in this beautiful serene environment, as you can see. Yes, so these are the rooms, how the rooms looks like. This is the bathroom, another bathroom of one of the rooms. Yes, the work is seriously ongoing, and by hopefully ending of this month to beginning of next month, this house should be fully completed because they are seriously working on it. Yes, so you can contact for more. These are the building materials, and work is seriously ongoing, as you can see. Yeah, that's a lovely, lovely home, and that's the back view. That is the back view of the house. Yes, that is the back view. Yeah, this house is comfortably seated on a half plot of land, and it is about 2 minutes drive from the main road and about 7 minutes walk from the main road. I mean the Stadium Junction, Amasaman Stadium Junction. This house is a few minutes walk. So guys, if you are interested, you can contact me for more. You can contact the numbers on the screen. And this is We Are Ghanaian channel, always bringing you nothing but the best. Subscribe. Thank you.